sat down, I put in a $40 ticket, first spin, $250. Yeah.
Might as well get the major two there, won't
Yeah,
you?
right? Woohoo! I cannot believe that. I wasn't even looking at the game because I was watching for Mr. Cuddles to come by. First spin. Oh, that's awesome. $250. Heck yeah. Look at that.
I seen the major go by.
You did? Don't tell me that. That's just evil. Nice. Wow. Keep filling it in. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Alright, last spin. Come on. Anything. Oh, alright. I'm cool with that.
Do I get reimbursed any of my gas money?
I told you to go get drink money for me if you can. I spent $20, I think, too.
Nice work. All your head?
Yeah. Oh, I think so now. Love you. Hey, are you coming back? No. You're not coming back? Oh, I thought you were getting drink money. Oh. Sweet. Nice first spin. Woohoo. You guys, back on Winding Lane. I had a ticket for $49, and that was all I was going to play before we went home. So I decided to go yaya and bet $5 a spin, which I do not do, not even a little bit. Got the bonus on the first spin. See there. 1 point. Bonus on the first spin. First spin of the bonus, got a chip. I was too nervous to start filming because I thought it would be bad luck. But now that I had a nice bonus already, I'm okay with it. Come on, chip. Ooh, wow, nice. Nice. Green smash, hard smash. $5 on penny. First
Happy
spin.
over here. First spin? What the hell?
First spin, I got a $50 chip. And then a $50 chip, and then a $100 chip.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start the car. I'll probably end up before you.
Well, I have 3 spins left, and then
Wow. That's awesome.
I'm tired.
Redemption.
Not
You're fine. That's how it goes. That's how I do it.
Look at that. It's all gravy.
I like that it's 50 lines. That's nice.
I was waiting. I was like, should I do dimes and $5? Oh, there was a minor chip. All right. Where should I meet you, or do you want to wait? I only have 2 spins left. You can push the button. Hey-ya. Nice. Come on, chip. Give me one more chip. Ah, shoot. Come on, chip. Oh. You can hit it. Oh, not terrible. Yeah, I'll take it. Nice.
Well,
Yeehaw. 371.
let's go to Vegas.
Yeah.